Hello guys, this is me again. I'm here in the United States of America. And to me, living here is paradise. I've been telling it again and again. It's paradise to me. I can have the chance to to enjoy life. Like I can't have this kind of life back home. It's not possible. Yes, not possible. Here, I feel rich. I feel rich. You know, you can enjoy, you can work hard. There's so many jobs that you can do. Work, cutting the grass, cleaning houses, cleaning hotels and resorts, or babysitting, um, watching elderly people, or there's so much job here. Working in the store, anywhere, you just have to be patient on finding those jobs. And if you just earn a little here, at least you have something to budget. That's how we do. You just have to watch your spending. Don't spend too much. Just make sure that you can afford stuff. Stay in a house where it's not expensive, and eat the good food but not expensive. You have to watch your health, and don't eat the food that's expensive and it's not healthy for you. So you can enjoy life. And look at this. I'm just cleaning here, and it's clean, and it's just clean, and to me, I feel like rich. Yeah, it's paradise. That's why it's a dream come true. It's a dream come true. Back home, we can only see this kind of places on TV, and we don't even have TV. We have to go to our neighbor's house to watch TV, and you can't really, or yeah, that's the only time we can see this kind of thing. But here in America, you can always see